This is Lexco part number 1SC. It's a 5-cavity crimp tool for 1/16 through 3/16. And I'll demonstrate the smallest cavity, the 1/16 cavity. All you do is compress, and it's for aluminum and copper, and you can compress a 1/16 sleeve 2 times to get the full length of it. And this tool it's about 2 feet long, so it gives you a lot of lever arm for a small 1/16 size. But you'll need that leverage in crimping the 3/16 diameter, which I'll show you next. So for the 3/16 sleeve, you'll have to open up the tool fully in order to get all the way to the back end. And then I'll move my hand momentarily. You'll want to make sure that you get seat nicely in the cavity and that you give yourself a good room for your subsequent crimp. So you get situated, you can check that it's seating in the oval. One misconception that sometimes people make for the first time is they'll lay the sleeve on its side, but that is not correct. You want the sleeve to be vertical in the cavity and compress it into a circle. So let's go give a try with the 3/16. So you'll want to do more body weight, and then you'll hear that the tool click nicely into a closed position. You'll fully open, and then you'll move over. And let's go to the opposite side of the sleeve, and let's check that it is in the cavity. There you go. And let's do crimp 2. And finally, for good holding strength, we'll do a third and final crimp. Here's what the 3/16 aluminum sleeve looks like after 2 crimps, and you can see that middle section is ready for the last crimp. And this is a 3/16 galvanized aircraft cable. So let's get that sleeve in there, right in the middle, right in the cavity, how you want it. Go ahead and come down, and you're done. Clicked in the closed position, open up, falls right out. You've got 3 crimps on your 3/16 aluminum sleeve on your 3/16 aircraft cable. And one feature this tool does have is a built-in cutting head, and that's going to be up here. And to use that, you open up, you lay your cable in, and then you close in the manner that you would if you're crimping. And that's how the built-in cutting head works. This is Lexco part number 1SC, 5-cavity hand crimp tool, 1/16 through 3/16 for aluminum and copper swages. Thank you.